tecnologia.
Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Lenovo V15 G2-ITL laptop. So without further ado, let's get to it. This is how it looks inside, and by the looks of it, it has one hard drive, NVMe, and one slot of RAM. So it's a single fan unit. Sorry, my client wanted to transfer the OS from the hard drive to the NVMe. So first I'm gonna unplug the hard drive and format it, and then reinstall all the OS to the NVMe. Actually, this is a great way to boost up the performance of an old laptop. So you got to carefully remove this SATA connector. To be honest, I expected worse. I thought there's gonna be a lot of dust and stuff, but then it looks pretty good to me. So catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe on what you think about this video. So see you guys next time.